Numerical on limiting reagent. In a reaction, A plus B2 giving you AB2. In this numerical, there are total 5 parts and I will be solving all these parts in the video. The question is, in a reaction A plus B2 giving you AB2, identify the limiting reagent, if any, in the following reaction mixtures. So there are altogether 5 parts given. First one is 300 atoms of A plus 200 molecules of B. Second is 2 mole of A plus 3 mole of B. Third is 100 atoms of A plus 100 molecules of B. Fourth one is 5 mole of A plus 2.5 mole of B. And fifth one is 2.5 mole of A plus 5 mole of B. Let's see the solution of each one of this now. The reaction is given to us and we can note that our reaction is balanced. First, I will write the balanced equation. The equation given to us is A plus B2 giving us A, B2. Now, what we have to find out in the first part, what is given as 300 atoms of A plus 200 molecules of B. We have to find out the limiting reagent among this. So what I'm doing is, I'm keeping one substance fixed and will find out the required amount of the next substance. And that required quantity I will have to compare with the given quantity. Now, if required quantity is more than the given quantity, then our substance is the limiting reagent. Otherwise, the other substance will be our limiting reagent. Okay, and if required quantity is equal to the given quantity, then the complete reaction will take place. As per the balanced equation, we have the general equation over here. This is a balanced equation, that is A plus B2 giving us the product, that is AB2. So as we can see from here, we are just having A. So here one atom of A is reacting with now this B2. So this is a molecule. It is reacting with how many molecules of the two? It is just here, it is just one. So it is reacting with one molecule of B2 to give us the product. It is just a one molecule of AB2. So the reaction is here, one atom of A reacts with one molecule of B2 to give one molecule of AB2. Now, in the question, what is given to us here? 300 atoms of A is given to us and 200 molecules of B is given to us. Now, as per the required amount, if 300 atoms of A is there, then how many molecules should be present? For one atom, there should be one molecule of B2. So for 300 atoms, how many molecules should be there? There should be 300 molecules of B2. So the required amount is 300 atoms of A and 300 molecules of B. But what is given to us is, in the given amount, only 200 molecules of B is given to us. So given quantity given quantity is less than the required quantity, so B will get consumed first. So B will be a limiting reagent. So this is about our first part. The second part is 2 mole of A plus 3 mole of B. So in second part, given quantities are given in terms of mole. I'm again writing the general reaction, that is A plus B2 giving us AB2. So in terms of moles, this will be 1 mole of A plus 1 mole of B2 giving us the product 1 mole of AB2. So now we know that if 1 mole of A requires how much mole of B2? It requires just 1 mole of B2. Then 2 mole of A will also require 2 mole of B2 for the complete reaction to occur. Now, in this reaction, given is 2 mole of A and 3 mole of B. But 2 mole of A requires only 2 moles of B. So, B is in excess. So, B is a excess reagent, and therefore A will be our limiting reagent. In the third part, what is given to us is 100 atoms of A plus 100 molecules of B. So what we will do is, again the general reaction is A plus B2 giving us AB2. In terms of atoms, this will be 1 atom of A combining with 1 molecule of B2 giving us 1 molecule of AB2. So what is given to us in this case? 100 atoms of A is given plus 100 molecules of B. We know that 1 atom of A requires 1 molecule of B. So required will be 100 atoms. This is 1 for 1. So it will be 100 for 100. So 100 atoms will require 100 molecules of B. So exact quantity is given to us. So the required quantity in this case is same as the given quantity. So in this reaction, both A and B will get consumed. Hence there will be no limiting reagent in this case or no excess reagent in this case. In the fourth part, what is given to us is 5 mole of A and 2.5 mole of B. So the general reaction in terms of mole will be 1 mole of A plus 1 mole of B2 giving us 1 mole of EB2. So the given amount is 5 mole of A and 2.5 mole of B. So now what is the required amount for 1 mole of A? 1 mole of B is required. So if 5 mole of A is given, if 5 mole of A is given, then we require 5 mole of B. Now the moles of B is less than that of A. Hence, a B is the limiting reagent. In the fifth part, 2.5 mole of A is given and 5 mole of B is given. So in terms of mole, again 1 mole of A requires 1 mole of B2 to give 1 mole of AB2. Given is 2.5 mole of A and B is 5 mole of B. So if 2.5 mole of A is given, then what is required is 2.5 mole of B is required. But we have 5 mole of B which is in excess. So B is our excess reagent and A is our limiting reagent. Thank you.